Hi there, it's Professor Monty. Let's talk about equations and solutions. First of all, an equation is just a number sentence. May have numbers and letters, variables in it, but it's just a number sentence that has an equal sign. If it doesn't have an equal sign, it's called an expression. So an equation will have the equal sign. A solution to the equation is any value for that variable that when you plug it in for the variable, it makes the equation true. So let's look at a couple examples. First I have, is 2 a solution to the equation that has an equal sign? 3x plus 4 equals 12. Well, x is the variable here, so we're going to plug 2 in the variable. Work it out. If the left side equals the right side, then yes, in fact, 2 is a solution. If it doesn't work, if it doesn't give you a true statement, then 2 is not a solution. So 3x means 3 times x, so we're just going to plug in the 2. So it's going to be 3 times 2 plus 4 equals 12. Order of operations says we do multiplication before addition. So we get 6 plus 4 equals 12. And then 6 plus 4, of course, is 10. 10 does not equal 12, so we say no. And no what? No, 2 is not a solution to this equation. Easy as that. Okay, let's look at one more. Is 5 a solution to 15 plus x equals 2? Now notice you may have x in more than one place in the equation, and that's okay. You would plug in the variable to each of those variables, whether it's x or a or any other letter. But so we only have one x here. We're just going to plug it in here. So we get 15 plus 5 divided by 2 equals 10. Well, you do the numerator, you complete the order of operations says the numerator kind of as a grouping symbol, kind of like parentheses. The whole top you would solve, the whole bottom you would solve before you do any other operation. So I have to add the 15 and the 5 on top to get the numerator as one number before I divide. So I get 15 plus 5 is 20. 20 divided by 2 is 10, and 20 divided by 2 is 10. So this time it's true. So this time we say yes. And if we want to write that as an entire sentence, of course, you would say yes, 5 is a solution to this equation. Okay, so that's the idea of equations and how we work with what makes something a solution.